And this is where we're going to be mixing our wet ingredients. This includes our 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 egg yolk, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1.5 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1.5 teaspoons of instant coffee. In the same bowl, we're going to sift in our dry ingredients. This includes 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Next, we're going to pour the melted chocolate into the bowl, and using a spatula, we're going to combine all these ingredients together. Next, we are going to be using parchment paper onto our pan to make sure that the batter does not stick to the pan in the middle of the baking process. So we're going to trim the parchment paper to fit the size of the pan, and I also used butter to make sure that the parchment paper actually sticks to the pan. Next, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and once the oven is heated, we can put the brownies into the oven.